Hello, and welcome to episode 2 of Dev Diaries. So, if you remember that older cartoon about how a bill becomes a law, that'll help you understand today's episode a little bit better. So, we're going to be looking at how a sound becomes a sound in a video game. Now, I actually don't know a ton about that process, so we are going to be heading down to our sound room to ask our wonderful sound team how it is they do what they do.
Well, this is the fun part. This is where you get to make weird noises into the microphone. And then we'll take it to the mixer and to the computer where we'll have FL Studio open. And then we have our layer here as a pattern. And then so basically it takes it from here. Since we have our manual mixer, we can mix it in there or we can mix it in here. So basically when we get the summons from our higher ups, we get to interpret that in any way we would like or we would see fits best for the situation. And then we use our handy dandy microphone and we make that sound.
Sometimes we may bring in like objects like coins, or maybe we just like go outside some of our feet.
If we want things to be more emphasized, then we raise the volume on it, obviously. And if we want things to be more subtle, then we'll mute it or we'll make it sound lower so that more things are emphasized throughout the song. The whole process, I think that probably takes about 40-30% of the process, like overall in terms of audio. Because once you have everything put together, you want to make sure that it all sounds right and the levels aren't peaking too high. I'm just going to speak loudly, really loudly, into the mixer! Now, if you notice, the levels went really high, right? You want it to be at a safe spot, like right here in the green, right here, peaking right at 0. Going above that, it's a bit too loud, so you gotta like either move everything down or find the thing that's too loud or overpowering and tone it down a little bit. We do have days where we do reviews of the audio that we've created, and this is of course is after we receive feedback from user research or even our own review.
Not like it's already corrupted. Like it's like cracks on the ice. Like it's not like all of a sudden there's just like little cracks and then it becomes big cracks.
Oh yeah, that would work well with the overall theme of the game.
Yeah.
Actually. Oh, that's pretty good actually.
Yeah.
I haven't heard this.
Yeah, I was like really excited. I heard the turbo and I'm like, yes, I'm using that right now.
Yeah, I was impressed when I heard it too.
Although I'd be careful of using actual voiceover from the video game itself, because that will play a couple times and people might be confused about
that's right.
what if the power-up has activated. Alright. Otherwise, I really like it.
Yeah, the last part is still like
especially the beats.
I'm gonna add some more like stuff in the beginning so it doesn't feel so repetitive. Intergalactic, planetary, intergalactic.
Intergalactic, planetary, intergalactic.
Yeah. There we go.
And that concludes episode 2 of Dev Diaries. I learned some stuff, and I hope you did too. Now remember to stay tuned after I finish talking, because we're going to have a new soundtrack from Bryce from our upcoming game Corrupted play at the end. Alright, I hope y'all have an amazing week, and I'll see you next Dev Diaries. Bye!